What's the meaning of answer? Answer. 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 Answer.
The term answer refers to a response or solution given to a question, problem or situation. It is the information, explanation or opinion that is provided in response to a request for clarification or direction. An answer can take many forms, including factual, subjective or interpretative, and may be communicated through different mediums such as speech, writing or actions. The purpose of an answer is to provide understanding, guidance or resolution to a query, challenge or issue, and to facilitate communication and progress towards a desired outcome.